Welcome to São Luís, a vibrant city in Maranhão, Brazil, known as the City of Tiles. Due to its unique Portuguese colonial architecture, São Luís is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Now buckle up for the 3 weirdest facts about São Luís. First, it's the only Brazilian city founded by the French. Second, it has the largest carnival off-season party called Festa Junina. Lastly, it's home to a peculiar fruit, the buriti, used in everything from ice cream to oil. Now let's switch gears to the city's population. With over 1 million people, São Luís is a melting pot of cultures, and yes, that's more than the population of some countries. Before we go, remember to follow me, Mr.Gurgel, for more fun cultural tidbits. São Luís, a city where history, culture, and a dash of weirdness come together.